Now, clearly, right now we're also looking ahead toward the 2022 hurricane season. Last year was quite active with 21 named storms, 7 forming into hurricanes, 4 becoming major hurricanes. And some early indications show that this year could potentially be just as dramatic. Gerard is here with more.
All right, Adrian. So we officially begin the hurricane season in June on the very 1st, but we can still see activity before then. The peak of the season reaches historically around September 10th, where we see the most storms and the strongest ones before it falls off, and then we'll see an end to it in December. Now, this is the official forecast that we are seeing from Colorado State University. They put these out quite often every single season, and this is the official numbers they're putting out for the 2022 forecast. 19 tropical storms is what they're forecasting, with 9 of them becoming hurricanes, 4 of them becoming major Category 3, 4, or 5 hurricanes. Let's compare that to the average, certainly above average of the last 10 years. Now, this is the record that we are seeing from 2020. Unbelievable that we saw that number. But again, this is something that will be a little fluid. Things can change as we get a little bit more into the season. They'll learn more. We'll get more data. We'll be able to see if things are going to be as active or potentially even more active than this original first look at this forecast. So we've got a lot of weather to go through for severe weather season before we get into hurricane season. We want everyone to be thinking and preparing right about now, actually.
Yeah, everybody stay safe. Thank you so much, Gerard. Back here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.